This has announced its MassHiring. So this is a great opportunity for you all to get placed at good package. There are variety of packages that TCS offers, and also TCS is a very good company that will provide you very good working culture and very good opportunities to grow further. It will shape your future if you get placed at early stage in TCS. So this hirings is for freshers as well as working professional with up to 2 years of experience. So this is the details of hiring. If you are from batch of 2026, 2025 or 2024, you are eligible to apply. These are the packages that TCS offers based on your experience and job location and also your interview performance. But actual compensation will vary on basis of work experience and job location. Registration start date is 18th February 2026 and it will end on 20 March 2026 and test will happen from 10th March 2026. So this is about TCS. You should read it. This is the application process for applying in TCS. So you should first log into TCS Next Step portal. If you do not have TCS ID, you should register in TCS portal and choose your category as IT. If you already have an account, you should have CTDT reference number, which you can find in your email that was generated while you were first registering with TCS. You just have to write CT or DT in your mail search, you will find it. Then log in and fill in your details and once check carefully all your details and then apply for drive. Please remember to select this option apply for drive. This is very important for complete application. Without this, application is incomplete and you will not be able to give the test. There is also option to choose the skill on you wish to be evaluated. The test will be in center mode. You will be given exam center at which you have to give the test. You will be given option to choose three preferred cities. You can choose them according to your convenience. And in the last, you should check track your application and the status should reflect as applied for drive. This reflects your application is complete. So these are important notes you should remember. You must have all your documents original and up to date till the time of interview. This you will be required in interview. And you can read all this. I will provide you the link in description. Also, please keep in mind TCS does not ask candidates to deposit any money for any employment offer. There are various scams going on, so you should keep this definitely in your mind. Also, meeting eligibility criteria is mandatory to be eligible for this test. And if you found ineligible at any stage, your candidature will be disqualified further. So now we go on to test eligibility. You should be from 2024, 2025 or 2026 batch and you should be pursuing or have done BTech, B or BE or MTech or ME or MCA or MS, MSc in any specialization by AICT, UGC recognized university or colleges. You should have minimum of 60% in your 10th, 12th diploma, graduation and post graduation. You should not have any active backlog while you are applying for this hiring. You should have maximum of 2 years of gap. More than 2 years of gap is not allowed. Only full-time courses are considered in this hiring. If you have done your schooling from NIOS, which is known as open schooling, you are also eligible if your graduation and post-graduation are done full-time. Work experience. If you have up to 2 years of experience, you are eligible to apply and your age should be between 18 to 28 years. So these are the rule for which TCS hires. So for Prime, it offers you 9 LPA and for Digital, it offers you 7 LPA and for Ninja, it offers you 3.6 LPA. So for Prime, you should do aptitude fully and both the coding questions also fully. And for digital, you should do aptitude fully and one coding question fully. And for Ninja, you should do aptitude fully and partial coding question. It also depends on competition among candidates and your batch of test. This is the test pattern you can see. So this is basically aptitude. This is also aptitude and advanced coding. Codes are important for higher packages. You should definitely try to make codes. And these are the FAQs. You can read it. I will provide you the link in description. So this is all about TCS hiring. This is a very good opportunity. Packages are also very good. So you should try for this hiring. If you want study material for this hiring, just comment and I will make a video on it. So this is all about TCS. Thank you.